Future perfect continuous tense in academic writing. Adding depth to future statements in academic writing. It is essential to use grammar structures that accurately convey the intended meaning. One tense that can add depth and nuance to future statements is the future perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to indicate an ongoing action that will be continuously happening at a specific point in the future. By incorporating the future perfect continuous tense into your writing, you can provide a clearer depiction of the future and emphasize the duration or progression of an action. Here are some illustrative examples of how the future perfect continuous tense can be used in academic writing. By the end of next year, I will have been studying English for 5 years. This sentence emphasizes the continuous nature of the action of studying English over a period of 5 years. It conveys the dedication and effort put into the process. By the time the conference begins, the researchers will have been conducting experiments for months. This sentence highlights the duration of the researchers' work on experiments leading up to the conference. It suggests a high level of preparation and thoroughness in their research. By the deadline, the team will have been working on the project for 6 weeks. This sentence indicates the ongoing nature of the team's work on the project over a period of 6 weeks. It suggests a comprehensive and prolonged effort to complete the project successfully. By the time the new equipment arrives, the technicians will have been testing the software for several days. This sentence shows the technicians' continuous testing of the software in preparation for the arrival of new equipment. It implies a thorough evaluation process to ensure the software's compatibility with the new equipment. By the end of the semester, the students will have been attending lectures on quantum physics for 10 weeks. This sentence highlights the students' consistent attendance at lectures on quantum physics over a 10-week period. It reflects their commitment to mastering the subject matter throughout the semester. In conclusion, incorporating the future perfect continuous tense in academic writing can enrich future statements by emphasizing the ongoing nature of actions and providing a clear timeline of events. By using this tense effectively, you can add depth and clarity to your writing, making your arguments more compelling and precise.